Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony. And just letting you guys know, you guys know how much I like Tesla, and just I just wanted to talk about a little bit about them and their position in Bitcoin, right? Because they bought about 1.5 billion dollars worth, and as of today, they've actually netted unrealized gains of about over like 300 to 400 million dollars just by buying Bitcoin, which is absolutely phenomenal, and that's their profit, right? Obviously, they're not selling, but it's insane to think that Tesla is now made, unrealized gains of about $400 million from, buying Bitcoin like last week or something, right? Which is absolutely phenomenal returns, and it's nuts because personally, I do think that Bitcoin is gonna touch $100,000 sometime in the future. I think that's 100% plausible, and I do think Ethereum more than likely is headed in that direction. And I think that eventually I do think Ethereum is going to hit 30 40k. I probably will end up buying maybe like $10,000 worth of Ethereum sometime in the future, because I do think it's going that direction, at least in the next couple of years, at least in like 5 years. I do think that's going to be a solid return. But it's insane to think about Tesla, and it just in 1 week they've already profited around $400 million. It's absolutely insane to think about, and it's kind of crazy to think that other companies should probably put in a certain percentage of maybe like 1% of their value, their market cap, whatever cash holdings they have, into some sort of cryptocurrency, whether it's Ethereum or Bitcoin, because that is the safer bet, and it does make a lot of sense for more and more companies to actually purchase Bitcoin. And I think Apple, and I think Apple just bought a whole bunch. I think Visa actually just bought in too. So I do think that more and more companies are actually, big institutions, big trillion-dollar companies are going to start buying into crypto a lot more, and we're going to see an extremely fast-paced growth of Ethereum and Bitcoin in the next year or so, because you're going to get a lot of companies that are going to start buying into cryptocurrency. First it was Tesla, and then you're going to see that ripple effect go to all the other companies, and it's going to be huge. It's going to be even bigger than what it is right now.